Peppa Pig, Phonics, short I vowel sound. Fix it, Daddy Pig. In this book, you will hear and read words with the short I vowel sound. Take your time and sound out each word to improve your reading skills. Read as many times as necessary to become a fluent reader. The toy is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The wall is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The car is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The screen is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The clock is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The kite is stuck. Daddy Pig will fix it. Look at that mud. Daddy Pig will fix it. Hooray for Daddy! He is the fix-it pig.